Good afternoon. Welcome to 02 Million. Are you looking for meaningful opportunities that don't have to be clinical? Social work internships are a great way to learn about this career. However, getting a social work internship can require effort and persistence. Here are some steps you can take. Research potential programs and organizations. Look for social work internships that align with your interests and career goals. This could be with government agencies, non-profits, hospitals, schools, or other organizations. Network. Reach out to social workers and professionals in your network to learn about opportunities and to get advice. They may also be able to provide recommendations and referrals. Apply early. Many social work internships have limited slots and may have early application deadlines. Plan ahead and apply as soon as possible. Prepare a strong application. Your application should include a resume, cover letter, and any additional required materials. Make sure it is well written, concise, and highlights your relevant skills and experience. Prepare for the interview. If you are selected for an interview, research the organization, its mission, and programs. Be ready to discuss your motivation for pursuing a social work internship and how it aligns with your career goals. Follow up. After you submit your application, consider following up with a phone call or email to ensure it was received and to inquire about the status of your application. Be persistent. Finding a social work internship may take time, but don't give up. Keep applying to programs and organizations that interest you and network with professionals in the field.